Hello, first graders, and welcome to your very first grade job. Today, our target skill is I can work through my virtual classroom independently. Say that word with me. Independently. Whew, that is a big million-dollar word. All that means, boys and girls, is by myself. So today, your target skill is to work through your virtual classroom all by yourself. So first, we're going to look at what your mouse looks like on the screen. It might look like this. It might be an arrow, or it might be a hand like this. They are the same. They are the same. So, in order to get to your first grade jobs, you're going to take your mouse and you're going to click all the way down here on the arrow. What happened there? It took me to my next classroom slide. Now on this slide, boys and girls, we have a job to do. Let's see if you can find the job. If I click on Miss Rossman, does anything happen? Nothing happened. What if I click on the plant? Click. Nothing happened. My job must be up here. Click. My very first grade job is to practice on IXL. You're off to a great start, first graders. Let's go back to our classroom. All right, so how do I get to my next job? I'm so glad you asked, first graders. You are going to go back down and click the arrow. Click. I got to my next first grade job. Let me try clicking on it. Nothing happened. This job is in your packet. It's a piece of paper in your packet. Maybe ask mom or dad to help you find it. All right, let's click to our next job. Click. All right, now I have a video. How will I play this video? Do you see? I'm going to take my mouse and click right on the play button. And there it is, a video for me to watch and learn. When it is finished, I'm going to come down and click on the arrow again. Click. And there's my next job. All right, boys and girls, I think that's enough practice for now. Are you ready to try it independently, all by yourself? Have fun, first graders, on your very first day of first grade. I'll see you next time.